everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're keeping really well. Recently I've been getting several fantastic questions. I received one the other day from a viewer named Bluto, and this person was asking how could he or she increase his or her regular 2-foot hop endurance without having to use moves like basic boxer skips, which involve shifting your body weight from one leg to the other. So as you're seeing right now on the screen, you are seeing the regular 2-foot hop. And this move involves jumping rope with both feet at the same time. So both feet land on the ground at the same time and both feet push off the ground at the same time using equal force. Whereas with the boxer skip, you are shifting your body weight. So each leg or each foot can get a momentary rest. But with the regular 2-foot hop, no leg is getting a rest between each hop. The regular 2-foot hop, it's usually the first move that people learn when they jump rope, because it makes sense, because you're jumping rope with both legs, both feet at the same time, so it's good for balance. That's good when you're trying to learn the technique, but it's actually quite a tiring move for your calf muscles, your Achilles tendon, and even the bottom of your feet. Technique to do this is to jump rope more often while avoiding fatigue. And this is very similar to the Russian strength coach Pavel Tsatsoulin's strategy or approach called greasing the groove. And this technique applied to jumping rope and applied to this viewer's question would basically entail something like this. Let's say, for example, you are able to do the regular 2-foot hop for 1 minute before fatigue really sets in, before your calves, your Achilles tendon starts getting really tired. Instead of, when you jump rope, instead of trying to do 1 minute regular 2-foot hops, or even longer than that, break that down in halves. Do 50% of that. So if you're able to do 1 minute, do sets of 30 seconds. So perform a set of 30 seconds worth of regular 2-foot hops, and then stop, rest for a minute or two, or even more, and then perform that again. So the idea is when you work out, do several sets, but try to avoid fatigue. So do one set of 30 seconds, rest for a few sets, and repeat that. Maybe repeat that as many as 10 sets, or even more if you want. The key is to avoid fatigue. You want to work out, perform the move often without getting tired, and you'll condition your brain and your body to perform that move really well. So instead of just going out and trying to do a lot of regular 2-foot hops in a row and getting yourself tired, do fewer, but do fewer more often in that same workout and even over the course of a week. And then if you do this technique, do it for approximately 1 month. Do it several days a week. You could even do it 5 days a week if you want. If you're new to jump rope, gradually increase how often you jump rope. But this technique is good for avoiding fatigue, so you can do it more often. And then after doing it for approximately 1 month, take a few days off to let your body and your nervous system recover. And then try doing the regular 2-foot hop for as long as you can. And I think you will find that you will be able to do it longer than 1 minute, using the example of 1 minute. And you can also apply this technique to other jump rope moves. Let's say, for example, double unders. Let's say right now the maximum number of double unders you can do is 10. Instead of trying to do 10 every time you do double unders, or you try to do more than that, do half the amount. Do sets of 5 double unders, but do them more often in the workout and more often during the week while avoiding fatigue. Do a set of 5 double unders, rest a minute or two, or even longer if necessary, repeat that again. And you can do that several times in one workout, several times during a week. So at the end of a workout, or at the end of a week, or at the end of a month, you will have practiced the same move several times. And that is fantastic. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for the great question, and I hope to see you all again soon.